you've got a different trigger guard, and then this is a little bit different. More like your P80s is what that reminds me a lot of. And then you've got the extended mag well, which is installed here on the bottom. So other than that, it's really familiar with the Glock. So then you're going to set that off to the same side, and then you've got your 34 slide, which is nice and long and really accurate. So let's take this apart and take a look at our barrel. Set that off to the side. Take a look at that. That thing is awesome. It is a fluted barrel, and it is a flush cut with a custom crown. I've got one just like this on the Glock 1923 conversion, but this thing is so long. I mean, it fills my entire hand, but definitely different than what I'm used to because I'm not used to such a long barrel. So we'll put that in, and then we will put it back together and admire the Cerakote and everything as a whole. So they did a full Cerakote on this, one of their multi-cams, and I think it looks great. I love how it slides. This actually started out as a Glock 34 slide, and as you can tell, it doesn't really look like that anymore. They did one of their milling jobs to it, and it is really cool and really unique. When I first talked with them, I told them I want them to make something really unique and something that's going to show off all their products, and they did a really good job of it because this thing is pretty cool. You got your serrations here on the back, serrations in the front, and then it's kind of rounded on the front, which is really rare for Glocks. So that's one thing that a lot of people, I've already shown this, keep asking me, what is this thing? And that's what throws them off, is the fact that it's rounded a little bit. But I think it's really cool and unique, and it gives this thing, you know, its own look. I'm going to break this down, and we'll look at the internals and the barrel and whatnot. So let's set the slide off for our side for now, and we'll take a look at the frame. So here is the Timberwolf frame on the insides, and as you can tell, it looks identical to a Glock. So you Glock guys are going to be really familiar with this. So basically from here up, is all going to be Glock. It looks the same. The only difference really is going to be the fact that you have a different grip. All right, guys, here it is, the Lone Wolf build. This thing is a masterpiece. Like I said before, this is a one-of-a-kind gun. I can guarantee nobody has a gun just like this. And if you do, I want pictures for proof, because I don't believe you. So let's go ahead and take the mag out. This is a 10-round mag. Made me laugh, actually, when I first seen it. It's a California-compliant mag. But let's go ahead and take a look at this gun. First off, let's look at the frame. This is a Lone Wolf Timberwolf frame. When I first seen these, I was a little bit nervous because I thought they kind of looked goofy, but it's actually really comfortable in the hand, and I'm starting to like it. So I'll tell you a little bit more after I shoot it some and get to test it out a lot more, but for right now, it's actually really comfortable. It's got an extended mag well, which is really nice. It makes reloading a lot quicker. Your trigger is going to be an ultimate adjustable trigger. I've got one of these in my P80. I really like these ones so far. It's got a really nice reset and pull. So I really like that. And then let's go up to the slide.
Cycle this ammo.
on her front door. You can see him in this home security video. She called 911 and
I went to the side of my bed and I grabbed our gun.
Before this mother of 3 girls knew it, a man was forcing his way inside.
Banging again, bang, bang, bang. So then he kicks the door in. As soon as he kicks the door in and tries to take a step in my house, that's when I shot him and he ran off. Something just came over me and I got calm, my heart slowed down and I got calm and I just got focused.
Deputies were on scene right away, arresting him and a woman outside. This mother says the incident has left her kids scared, but she's thankful she had protection.
Because if I didn't have any kind of weapons, I don't know what I would have did. I mean, that guy was kind of big, so I wouldn't have been able to fight him off. I've never thought I would have to shoot that gun, ever.
Gonzo, that tube's not getting too hot, is it? That's it for the box.
Right. Give me a fucking goose.
Employees, they might stick their knife into an abscess and then explodes all over the place. Got three.
That was only a matter of time.
Alright, let's give this girl a little ring-a-ding-ding, see if this fat girl can sing. Ooh, it's pretty slick. Oh! go.
You dead? Yeah. Yeah, we're fucking dead.
حرامية ثقيلة حيدر. قلت لك. هتصعد بيدي ولا لا؟ يلا.
روح.
That's funny.
Yeah, we do a lot of projects together. Yeah.
So go ahead and
So what is this? What is this replicating?
It's hanging out of a helicopter like Hondo.
Okay.
You got it? You there?
Wait, I'm really okay.
No way.
Are you kidding me? That's it. That's all she wrote. Okay. So that was a completely new experience.